Lot number 204 is a 2015 Dodge Grand Caravan. This was an unmarked police unit for BSO. This one has 90,000 miles, but it appears to have a bad alternator. If I disconnect my jump box here, it'll shut off. I've had it running for about 20 minutes on my jump box, but the minute I disconnect it, it shuts off. It's got the 3.6 liter V6. The motor sounds good. I'll rev it up so you could hear it. The automatic transmission engages, and both front and rear AC blow cold. Listen to the motor. The motor sounds good. I'll show you the miles. 90,000 original miles. And again, both front and rear AC are blowing cold. The body is straight. It's got minor dents and scratches all around. It definitely shows some wear and tear. The headlights look humid. They may be beginning to dull. It's got 4 matching hubcaps. Tires look good. A lot of little scratches. Right there's a lot of little scratches, little door dings. I mean, again, normal wear and tear for an unmarked police unit. The rear lift gate is dented. It's got a major dent back here. The paint has peeled off and it's showing some rust. The damage is only on the lift gate itself, so that may be something that can be changed. It's got a heavy duty tow hitch, some scratches on the rear bumper, and the driver's side has a small dent right there on the sliding door. It's very hard to see it right there, and little scratches and stuff down here. The handle is scraped. The roof looks good. It's got tinted windows. All the doors open and close as they should. It's got the 4 captain chairs that fold in. These 2 chairs back here fold in into the floor. They call it stow and go. And the whole rear bench folds down into the floor. So it becomes a cargo van rather easily. Lift gate